I opened my dance studio 1 year ago and decided to take a risk and go with glassless mirrors. They can be pretty finicky, so here's how I clean them. I use 2 super clean microfiber towels and spray away glass cleaner. Do not spray directly on your mirror though. First, you dust your mirror with your clean microfiber towel. To be honest, these mirrors kind of scare me, so we don't allow the students to touch them because I'm afraid they're going to poke a hole in them, so they stay relatively clean. But when we do need to spot clean, we designate 1 towel with the mirror spray, spot clean that spot, and then take the dry towel and you're going to do the same thing, but just dry it off. And there's no streaking at all. It's really amazing. Once I got the technique down, these mirrors are very simple to clean and I'm super happy with my purchase. However, they are a lot more fragile than traditional mirrors, so we've implemented some rules like no touching the mirrors. And whenever we have observers, whether it's students or parents, we have them sit at the back of the room so they have the wall to lean against and avoid leaning against the mirrors. Follow for more.